Hello guys and welcome back, and today we are going to do Microsoft 365 Fundamentals MS-900 practice test. And if you are interested in more of these types of tests, go to the channel's homepage and click on playlists, and there you will be able to see more videos on these Microsoft and other different provider practice tests. So no further ado, let's get into it. And first question is, a company is looking to implement a comprehensive backup solution for Microsoft 365 data, including emails, files, and SharePoint sites. Which service should they use? Microsoft Defender for Office 365, OneDrive for Business, Microsoft Exchange Online, Microsoft Azure Backup, or Microsoft Power BI? And which would be the correct answer here? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Azure Backup, as Microsoft Azure Backup provides a comprehensive backup solution that can be used to protect Microsoft 365 data, including emails, files, and SharePoint sites, ensuring business continuity. And next question. A company needs to set up a centralized task management system where team members can create tasks, assign them, and track progress. Which Microsoft 365 service should they implement? Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Power BI, or Microsoft SharePoint? Which would be the correct answer here? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Planner, as Microsoft Planner is a task management tool that allows team to create, assign, and track tasks in a simple visual interface, making it ideal for managing team projects. A company wants to use machine learning to detect and respond to security threats in real time. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Defender for Identity, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Azure AD, Microsoft Teams, or Microsoft Sentinel? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Sentinel, as Microsoft Sentinel is cloud-native SIEM solution that uses machine learning to detect and respond to security threats in real time, providing advanced threat detection and automated response. A business needs to manage a life cycle of its devices, ensuring they are automatically enrolled, configured, and secured. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Defender for Identity, Microsoft Teams, Windows Autopilot, Microsoft Power Automate, or Microsoft Planner? And here the correct answer is Windows Autopilot, as Windows Autopilot automates the process of enrolling, configuring, and securing devices, making it easier to deploy devices without requiring manual intervention. And next question. A company wants to help employees track their professional growth and well-being through personalized insights. Which Microsoft 365 tool should they use? Microsoft Viva Insights, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft OneDrive for Business, or Microsoft Teams? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Viva Insights, as Microsoft Viva Insights provides personalized insights to help employees manage their well-being and improve productivity by offering recommendations and tips based on usage patterns. And next question. A company wants to ensure their data is protected when it's shared with external partners. Which Microsoft 365 feature can help secure this data when it is shared outside the organization? Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft OneDrive for Business, Microsoft Teams, or Microsoft Information Protection? And here the correct answer is Microsoft Information Protection, as Microsoft Information Protection allows organizations to apply encryption and access controls to sensitive data, ensuring it is securely shared with external parties. A company wants to store data in secure location but still allow employees to easily access and collaborate on documents. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive for Business, Microsoft SharePoint Online, Microsoft Exchange, or Microsoft Planner. And here the correct answer is Microsoft SharePoint Online, as SharePoint Online allows employees to store, access and collaborate on documents in secure environment while offering features for version control, access management and collaboration. A company wants to deploy solutions that enables employees to access internal applications securely without the need for a VPN. What Microsoft service should they implement? Microsoft Defender for Identity, Azure Active Directory, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Intune, or Microsoft 365 Business Premium. So what should they use? And here the correct answer is Azure Active Directory, as Azure Active Directory or Azure AD provides identity and access management services that enable secure access to internal applications without the need for a VPN. And next question, a company is concerned about protecting against phishing attacks targeting their employees via email. What Microsoft service can help protect against these types of attacks? Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneDrive for Business, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Exchange Online Protection, or Microsoft Defender for Office 365. And here the correct answer is Microsoft Defender for Office 365. As Microsoft Defender for Office 365 provides protection against phishing, malware, and other email-based threats, helping to safeguard employees from malicious attacks. A company needs to collect and analyze data from various sources within Microsoft 365, including email and documents, to identify patterns and trends. Which Microsoft service should they use? Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Power Automate, or Microsoft OneDrive. And the correct answer here is Microsoft Power BI, as Microsoft Power BI is a powerful business analytics service that allows organizations to collect data from multiple sources and visualize it in interactive reports and dashboards. Next question, a business needs to protect its sensitive data while still enabling employees to collaborate. They want to restrict sharing of documents containing sensitive information. Which Microsoft 365 service should they use? Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Information Protection, Microsoft OneDrive, or Microsoft Power Automate. So which one would be the correct answer here? And the correct answer is Microsoft Information Protection, as Microsoft Information Protection allows organizations to classify, label, and protect sensitive data, ensuring that only authorized users can access it while still allowing collaboration. Next question, a company wants to give their employees access to virtual desktop environment, but they don't want to manage the hardware or infrastructure themselves. Which Microsoft service should they implement? So to give a virtual desktop to users or employees. Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft SharePoint, Windows 365, or Microsoft Teams. And here the correct answer is Windows 365, as Windows 365 provides a cloud-based PC experience offering virtual desktops hosted by Microsoft that users can access from anywhere without needing to manage hardware. And next question. An IT administrator wants to create and manage email signatures for all users within the organization. Which service should they use in Microsoft 365? Microsoft Exchange Online, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Power Automate. And here the correct answer is Microsoft Exchange Online, as Microsoft Exchange Online allows administrators to create and enforce email signature policies for all users across the organization. A company has employees using different types of devices and wants to ensure that sensitive data on those devices is encrypted. Which Microsoft service should they use? So, to encrypt the data on devices. Microsoft Defender for Identity, Office 365 Message Encryption, Microsoft SharePoint Online, Microsoft Intune, or Microsoft Power BI. So which one would be the correct answer here? And the correct answer here is Microsoft Intune. And Microsoft Intune allows organizations to enforce encryption on employee devices to ensure that sensitive data is protected whether employees are using smartphones, tablets, or laptops. A company needs to ensure that no unauthorized devices can access their corporate network, especially from remote workers. Which feature should they use to enforce these restrictions? Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft Sentinel, Conditional Access, Microsoft Intune, or Microsoft Teams. And the correct answer here is Conditional Access, as conditional access allows organizations to set policies that restrict access to corporate resources based on specific conditions, such as ensuring that only authorized devices can connect to the network. A company wants to automate approval workflows for documents and forms, such as leave requests and purchase orders. Which Microsoft 365 service can be used to create and manage these workflows? Microsoft Power Automate, Microsoft Power Apps, Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Teams, or Microsoft SharePoint. And here the correct answer is Microsoft Power Automate, as Microsoft Power Automate allows businesses to automate workflows such as approval processes for documents and forms, streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. A company needs to track employee performance and goals over time, and it wants to integrate these performance metrics in Microsoft 365. Which tools should they use so to integrate these performance metrics which they are tracking? Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Teams, or Microsoft Viva Insight. And the correct answer is Microsoft Viva Insights, as Microsoft Viva Insights helps organizations track employee performance, well-being, and goals, providing insights into individual and organizational productivity. An organization needs to ensure that employees can securely access corporate resources from mobile devices while working remotely. What Microsoft service should be used to manage and secure those devices? So we are talking about mobile devices. Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft SharePoint Online, or Microsoft Teams. And if we are talking about mobile devices, this is Microsoft Intune, as Microsoft Intune is mobile device management MDM service that allows organizations to secure and manage mobile devices, including smartphones and tablets, ensuring secure access to corporate resources. A company wants to enable secure email communication and needs to encrypt messages that contain sensitive data. Which Microsoft 365 feature should they implement to meet this requirement? Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive for Business, Microsoft Defender for Office 365, or Office 365 Message Encryption. And here's the correct answer is Office 365 Message Encryption, as Office 365 Message Encryption enables secure email communication by allowing the sender to encrypt messages containing sensitive data, ensuring they can only be read by authorized recipients. A business needs to centralize document storage and collaboration for their global team. They want a solution that integrates with Microsoft 365 apps and allows access control based on roles. What service should they use? Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft SharePoint Online, Microsoft Teams, or Microsoft Planner. And here's the correct answer would be Microsoft SharePoint Online, as SharePoint Online is the ideal platform for centralized document storage and collaboration. It integrates with other Microsoft 365 apps and provides granular access control based on roles. And let's see results, and we passed everything correctly, so we answered all answers or all questions correctly. So yes guys, if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, and like I mentioned at the start, if you are interested in more questions or quizzes like this, go to the channel's homepage, click on playlists, and there you will find more playlists for different other subjects and other exams. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.